Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can apply same transition to all our clips or our images on Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my Filmora, and as you can see, I have imported some images to this project, and I'm going to show you guys how we can apply same transition to all these images. First of all, we need to select all the images or clips we have on the Filmora project, and then we're going to go to the transition and then select the transition you want to apply to your clips or your images. And for example, I'm just going to apply this swap transition, and then we can click on this plus icon to add the transition to our clips or our images. Okay, and as you can see that now this transition has been applied to all the images I have, and this is the result. Okay, and now my images have same transition. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply same transition to all clips or all images on Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.